snowstorm. Live footage. Whoops. Do your business. Live footage. We're out in the snowstorm. I'm braving the storm to bring you this footage. So far, I just shoveled the little area here where I stand when the dogs go to the bathroom. And it was nice and level, and let's see if you can see that. So yeah, there's about an inch, about an inch or so of snow in the last hour. Lovely. Wonderful. Hello, it's a rare cooter. Hello, rare cooter snow dog. It's coming down pretty lots. Yeah, that makes sense. It's coming down a lot and pretty heavy. I don't know if you can see. It's like a mix of big, huge flakes and some smaller ones. Yeah, it's fun. And you can see back there how it looks, the tree line back there looks kind of like fogged out. But that's not fog, folks. That's snow! Yes. The abominable snow cooter. Except you're kind of black, so you'd stick out. And there he goes. You're not an ostrich. Hey Jake, what do you think of all this snow? What do you think? Yeah? Me too. Bah! Go do your business. Let's look out over the road, the highway up here. Yeah, it looks pretty much the same. White, white, and guess what? More white. No, come on. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. My camera's getting wet and that can't be good. Alright, bye.